Here are Grandma's 29 plus oddly useful life hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Honey for burns. Did you know that honey can be an effective remedy for minor burns? Apply a thin layer of honey to the affected area after cooling the burn under running water for a few minutes. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which help to soothe the burn and prevent infection. Cover the area with a clean, non-stick bandage. Replace the honey and bandage several times a day until the burn heals. Don't order drinks at restaurants. Did you know that restaurants often mark up drink prices by 200 to 400%? Save money and avoid unnecessary calories by not ordering drinks at restaurants. Instead, opt for tap water, which is usually free and readily available. If you prefer something with flavor, consider bringing a small bottle of water flavoring or herbal tea bags. Put full bedding sets in one pillowcase. Organize your linen closet by storing full bedding sets in one pillowcase. First, fold the fitted sheet, flat sheet, and other pillowcases neatly. Place the folded items inside one of the pillowcases from the set. This keeps all the pieces together, making it easy to grab a complete set when changing the bed. It also keeps your closet tidy and saves space. Use butter, not margarine. Opt for butter instead of margarine for better taste and cooking results. Butter, made from cream, has a richer flavor and smoother texture. Grandma used it for baking as it enhances the flavor and texture of cakes, cookies, and pastries. When cooking, melt butter in a pan for sautéing vegetables or as a base for sauces. Spread it on bread or toast for a delicious, natural taste. Butter's higher fat content makes it a superior choice for both flavor and cooking performance compared to margarine. Use cornmeal or grits to get rid of ants. Eliminate ants naturally with cornmeal or grits. Sprinkle cornmeal or grits around ant trails and entry points in your home. The ants will carry the grains back to their nest, but they cannot digest them. Over time, this disrupts their colony. For outdoor use, sprinkle the cornmeal or grits directly on ant mounds. Reapply after rain or heavy watering to maintain effectiveness. This method is safe for pets and children, providing an eco-friendly solution to your ant problem without harsh chemicals. Use soap in dresser drawers to repel spiders. Keep spiders out of dresser drawers by using soap as a repellent. Choose a strongly scented soap, such as lavender or peppermint, which spiders find unpleasant. Cut the soap into small pieces or use whole bars, placing them in the corners and along the edges of your drawers. The scent will deter spiders from taking up residence among your clothes. Replace the soap every few months or when the scent fades. Fry leftover egg mixture with breadcrumbs. Don't let leftover egg mixture go to waste. Grandma would turn it into a delicious dish by frying it with breadcrumbs. Begin by heating a tablespoon of butter or oil in a skillet over medium heat. Mix the leftover egg mixture with an equal amount of breadcrumbs. Pour the mixture into the skillet and cook until the eggs are set and the breadcrumbs are golden brown, stirring occasionally. This method not only prevents waste, but also creates a tasty, crispy snack or breakfast option. Olive oil or cooking spray cleans sticky messes. Sticky messes can be a hassle to clean, but olive oil or cooking spray can help. Apply a small amount of olive oil or cooking spray to the sticky area. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down the adhesive. Using a soft cloth or paper towel, gently rub the area until the sticky residue lifts off. Once the mess is gone, wipe the area with a damp cloth and a bit of dish soap to remove any oily residue. Wet tobacco can soothe a bee sting. Did you know that wet tobacco can soothe a bee sting quickly and effectively? Moisten a small amount of tobacco from a cigarette or a pouch and apply it directly to the sting. Hold it in place for a few minutes to reduce pain and swelling. The nicotine in tobacco acts as an anti-inflammatory agent, providing relief. After removing the tobacco, clean the area with soap and water. This old-fashioned remedy helps to alleviate discomfort and speed up healing. Always pack snacks. Always pack snacks when you're on the go. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or going on a trip, having snacks on hand can prevent hunger and save money. Choose non-perishable items like nuts, granola bars, dried fruit, or crackers. Pack them in small, reusable containers or Ziploc bags for convenience. Keeping snacks in your bag, car, or office drawer ensures you have a quick, healthy option available, reducing the temptation to buy unhealthy fast food or vending machine items. Crisco for squeaky hinges. Did you know that Crisco is an effective lubricant for squeaky hinges? Apply a small amount of Crisco to the hinge, focusing on the pin and moving parts. Open and close the door several times to work the Crisco into the hinge, eliminating the squeak. This method is a great alternative to commercial lubricants and works just as well. Wipe away any excess Crisco with a cloth to prevent mess. Use lemons for cleaning grease. Lemons are excellent for cutting through grease naturally. Start by cutting a lemon in half and rubbing it directly onto greasy surfaces, such as stovetops, countertops, and cutting boards. The citric acid in lemons breaks down grease and grime effectively. For tougher spots, sprinkle a little baking soda on the surface before scrubbing with the lemon. Afterward, wipe the area clean with a damp cloth to remove any residue. Ice for quick injury recovery. Did you know that ice can help with quick injury recovery? When you experience a minor injury like a bruise or a sprain, apply an ice pack immediately. Wrap a few ice cubes in a towel or use a commercial ice pack and place it on the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes. This reduces swelling and numbs the pain. Repeat the process every hour for the first 24 hours. Ice is a simple and effective remedy for managing minor injuries and speeding up recovery. Butter helps food go down. Butter can be a helpful aid in swallowing food. If you have difficulty swallowing pills or certain foods, try coating them with a small amount of butter. The butter acts as a lubricant, making it easier for the food or pill to slide down your throat. Simply spread a thin layer of butter on the item before swallowing. This tip is especially useful for children or individuals with swallowing difficulties, ensuring a smoother and more comfortable experience. No carpets in the kitchen. Why should you avoid carpets in the kitchen? Carpets can trap food particles, crumbs, and spills, making them difficult to clean and potentially leading to odors and stains. Instead, opt for easy-to-clean flooring materials, such as tile, linoleum, or hardwood. These surfaces can be quickly wiped or mopped, ensuring a hygienic kitchen environment. If you prefer a softer surface, consider using washable rugs or mats that can be easily laundered. Keep wet wipes by the toilet. Keeping wet wipes by the toilet ensures cleanliness and freshness. Use them in addition to toilet paper for a more thorough clean. Choose flushable or biodegradable wipes to avoid plumbing issues and reduce environmental impact. Store the wipes in a convenient, easy-to-reach location, such as a basket or a wall-mounted dispenser. This practice enhances personal hygiene and leaves you feeling fresh and clean after each use. Wet wipes are particularly helpful for families with young children or anyone with sensitive skin. Use rubber bands to keep cut fruit fresh. Extend the freshness of cut fruit by using rubber bands. After slicing fruit such as apples or pears, reassemble the pieces and secure them with a rubber band to maintain their shape. This reduces the exposure of cut surfaces to air, slowing the oxidation process that causes browning. Place the banded fruit in an airtight container or a plastic bag before refrigerating. This simple trick helps keep your fruit looking and tasting fresh for longer, making it perfect for packed lunches or snacks on the go. Cut up fruit for easier snacking. Pre-cutting fruit makes healthy snacking more convenient. Grandma would slice apples, pears, melons, and other fruits into bite-sized pieces and store them in the refrigerator. Use airtight containers or resealable plastic bags to keep the fruit fresh. Having pre-cut fruit readily available encourages healthier eating habits, especially for children and busy adults. It saves time and effort, ensuring that you always have a quick, nutritious snack option on hand. Making and freezing muffin batches saves time. Making and freezing muffin batches saves time and provides a convenient snack or breakfast option. Prepare your favorite muffin recipe and bake as usual. Once the muffins have cooled, place them in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze until solid. Transfer the frozen muffins to a resealable freezer bag or airtight container. When you're ready to enjoy one, simply reheat it in the microwave for a quick, delicious treat. Deodorize your mattress outdoors. Freshen your mattress naturally by placing it outdoors. Choose a sunny, dry day to maximize the effect. Carry the mattress outside and place it in a sunny spot. The sunlight and fresh air help to deodorize and kill bacteria and dust mites. Leave the mattress outside for several hours, ideally flipping it halfway through to ensure both sides benefit from the sun. Use all parts of your ingredients to avoid waste. Maximize your ingredients and minimize waste by using all parts of your food just like Grandma did. For example, use vegetable scraps to make homemade broth or repurpose citrus peels for cleaning and zest. Leftover bones can be boiled to create rich, flavorful stocks. Stale bread can be transformed into croutons or breadcrumbs. Even coffee grounds can be used as a natural fertilizer for plants. Hydrogen peroxide removes blood stains. Hydrogen peroxide is excellent for removing blood stains from fabrics. Begin by testing a small, inconspicuous area of the fabric to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration. Pour a small amount of hydrogen peroxide directly onto the blood stain. Allow it to bubble and fizz for a few minutes, which helps lift the stain. Blot the area with a clean cloth, then rinse with cold water. Rice for salt shakers. How can you keep your salt shaker flowing freely? Add a few grains of rice to your salt shaker to absorb moisture and prevent clumping. Rice naturally absorbs humidity, which helps keep the salt dry and easy to dispense. Simply place a few grains of uncooked white rice into the shaker along with the salt. Shake the salt occasionally to mix it up and ensure even distribution. Take advantage of residual heat when cooking. Maximize energy efficiency in your kitchen by taking advantage of residual heat when cooking. After turning off the oven or stovetop, leave your food in place to continue cooking with the leftover heat. This technique is especially useful for dishes that need a few more minutes of gentle cooking, such as casseroles, roasts, or pasta. Additionally, you can use the residual heat to warm plates or keep side dishes warm. This method not only saves energy, but also ensures your meals are cooked to perfection and half sponges last longer. Did you know that cutting your sponges in half can make them last longer? By halving your sponges, you effectively double the number of sponges you have, which can save money and reduce waste. Smaller sponges are also easier to handle and can fit into tight spaces better. Use one half for a few weeks, then switch to the other half. This simple trick extends the life of your sponges, making your cleaning routine more efficient and cost-effective. Boiling water for stains. Boiling water is highly effective for removing fresh stains, particularly those from fruit or vegetables. Begin by carefully pouring boiling water directly onto the stain from a height, allowing the force of the water to push the stain out of the fabric. Make sure to place a bowl or bucket underneath to catch the runoff. This method works best on color-fast, natural fabrics like cotton. Repeat if necessary until the stain fades. Once treated, wash the item as usual to ensure all residue is removed. Brown sugar for bacon. Enhance the flavor of your bacon with brown sugar. Before cooking, sprinkle a light coating of brown sugar on each slice of bacon. The sugar will caramelize as the bacon cooks, adding a sweet, rich flavor. Place the bacon on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper to catch any drips. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until crispy. Toothpaste for crayon marks. Did you know that you can remove crayon marks from walls using toothpaste? Opt for a non-gel, white toothpaste. Apply a small amount directly onto the crayon marks. Using a damp cloth or sponge, gently scrub the area in circular motions. The mild abrasives in the toothpaste will lift the crayon without damaging the paint. Once the marks are gone, wipe the wall with a clean, damp cloth to remove any toothpaste residue. This quick and easy method restores your walls to their original state without harsh chemicals. Use nearly expired condiments. Make the most of nearly expired condiments by incorporating them into your cooking. For example, use ketchup or mustard in marinades, dressings, or sauces. Mix mayonnaise with herbs for a quick dip or sandwich spread. Add soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce to stir fries and casseroles for extra flavor. This approach not only reduces food waste, but also enhances your meals with rich, complex tastes. Keep an eye on expiration dates and get creative in the kitchen to ensure nothing goes to waste. Sugar for tongue burns. Soothe a burnt tongue quickly with sugar. Sprinkle a small amount of granulated sugar directly onto your tongue where the burn occurred. Let the sugar dissolve naturally. Its soothing properties will help reduce pain and inflammation. Alternatively, you can suck on a sugar cube for the same effect. This simple remedy provides immediate relief and is easily accessible. Remember to avoid hot foods and drinks until the burn heals to prevent further irritation. Using sugar is an effective, old-fashioned way to treat minor burns. Baby powder for sand removal. Heading to the beach? Baby powder can make sand removal a breeze. When you're ready to leave, sprinkle baby powder generously on sandy areas of your skin. The powder absorbs moisture, making the sand easier to brush off. This method is especially useful for getting sand off feet and legs before getting into your car. Keep a small bottle of baby powder in your beach bag for quick and easy sand removal. Salt for red wine spills. Spilled red wine on your carpet or fabric. Salt can help absorb the stain. Immediately blot the spill with a clean cloth to remove as much wine as possible. Then cover the stained area with a generous amount of table salt. Let the salt sit for several hours or until it dries and absorbs the wine. Vacuum up the dried salt and, if necessary, treat any remaining stain with a mixture of dish soap and hydrogen peroxide. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.